Welcome to the Cognos Business Intelligence Training Program, brought to you by NRIT, a leader in providing intelligent solutions for enterprises. In this presentation, you will learn what business intelligence is and about the major BI products. We will talk about the various aspects of Cognos Business Intelligence and the path to certification. Remember, it's your money, and we want to give you the best value for this investment. Let's begin by talking about NRIT. Established in 1998, NRIT is the business intelligence and data warehousing company with development sites in Los Angeles, New Jersey, and Bangalore, India. The company is focused on improving business performance, and its solutions have helped companies realize high ROI by first understanding their needs and then providing the necessary expertise. NRIT's global footprint includes work with the likes of the companies listed on the screen. These include Honda, Paramount, and Wells Fargo, to name a few. NRIT has done both short-term and long-term projects, working on-site and off-site to deliver projects on time and as per customer satisfaction. To talk a little bit more about NRIT, the company is involved in everything that relates to business intelligence. NRIT is proficient in developing and delivering BI solutions by utilizing predictive modeling, dashboarding, ETL, dimensional modeling, Cognos reporting and planning, and Microsoft Business Intelligence. What is business intelligence? Everybody is talking about business intelligence. So what exactly is it? The main objective of business intelligence is to bring the right information at the right time. Usually, the data is pulled from several sources and transformed into accurate and consistent information, which is then stored in the data warehouse. In simple terms, companies use business intelligence to improve decision-making, cutting costs, and identifying new business opportunities. As a result, BI helps companies to identify inefficient business processes. The Gartner Group is a premier website that tracks all companies that are within the business intelligence market. Gartner is a pioneer in the BI field, having promoted business intelligence for the past 2 decades. Their definition of BI is shown on the screen. Please take a moment to read the definition and understand the diagram. Companies have data, which is essentially untapped information. This information, when properly mined, gives us a wealth of knowledge. Managers use this knowledge to make business decisions. Decision makers need to make decisions and successfully act upon these decisions. As we have discussed, the questions are often similar across functions and roles. Questions such as, how are we doing? Why are we achieving or not achieving the desired results? What should we be doing? Finding answers to these 3 questions is relevant in every functional area of an organization, in all industries. Decision makers need to access the information that is delivered through key business intelligence capabilities, including scorecards, dashboards, reports, and real-time monitoring to enable them to measure and monitor the business and share current status. Every professional has a different requirement, and his or her need for data is different. Business intelligence helps these professionals to extract only the info that is relevant to them. For example, a salesperson needs details only on the sales aspects of the company, whereas a financial analyst would need those details on sales, but his interest would be in a different set of numbers. BI gives you the data that you want. It is customized information. Business intelligence helps companies in a variety of ways, from targeted marketing and sales strategies, to business forecasting, to improving customer relationships. A business intelligence system is valuable because it helps to identify areas of waste that may have been previously unnoticed. Major BI products. Listed are some of the major business intelligence vendors, listed in alphabetical order. They represent different technologies, but all fall under the umbrella term of business intelligence. There are new technology trends that pop up every year. Right now, these trends are the explosion of big data, analyzing trends, the mobile wave, migration of info to the cloud, and the popularity of applications. Gartner uses the Magic Quadrants methodology to position technology players within a specific market. These quote-unquote players get put into one of four categories: challengers, leaders, niche players, and visionaries. In Gartner's BI Magic Quadrant, take a look at the IBM dot in the leaders quadrant. Notice its location in the quadrant for 2012. In this slide, you will notice that IBM's dot in the quadrant has moved up, an indication that the company's ability to execute improved from 2012 to 2013. Listed in front of you are the top CIO business and tech priorities of 2013. Notice that the business priorities and technology priorities are now becoming aligned. Companies know that they must take advantage of available technologies to connect and stay ahead. What is Cognos Business Intelligence? Every company has a beginning. Cognos has come a long way since being founded in 1969. It initially began as a consulting company, but has evolved over the years by leveraging new technologies. IBM strategically acquired Cognos in 2007 to become the market leader in business intelligence. What you see on your computer screen now is a screenshot of a Cognos BI report, exactly how it would look on your computer. Cognos Business Intelligence Solutions help understand, monitor, and manage business performances. Please take a moment to read the slide. This slide is a continuation of the previous one. These are the different versions of Cognos. Just like Microsoft Windows has different versions, like 98, XP, Vista, Windows 7, Cognos 2 has upgraded its software to newer and better versions. The newest version is Cognos 10.2, which we will be teaching you. The lifetime of a Cognos business intelligence application can be months or even years. During that time, data may change and new requirements appear. As the underlying data changes, authors must modify existing content and develop new content. Administrators must also update models and data sources over time. Reporting is all about making sense of a huge database. Querying, on the other hand, is about getting a specific set of information for your needs. The mobile user can access these reports from any location. This becomes especially useful in client meetings. On your screen, you can see what a reporting and query dashboard looks like. The same information can be presented in different types of charts and graphs, all very customizable. As we all understand information better through numbers and charts, this capability becomes even more important. Analysis is done on a report to figure out what went wrong or what can be improved. The user can access the info from all angles and perspectives. It gives the user a chance to validate key information and drive business decisions by incorporating said analysis. This slide shows the analysis dashboard. Please notice the different options the user has in depicting the statistics. Scorecards are used to track performance based on key performance indicators. For example, a sales rep can track his target goal versus what he has achieved per quarter. It gives the employee all info necessary for him to keep track of the progress. Here is the diagram for what the scorecard dashboard would look like. In this case, it is a revenue dashboard that allows the employee to track progress both yearly and quarterly. Let's look at an example. When you are driving, all the info that you need, fuel, speed, engine temperature, it all shows up on your dashboard. In the same manner, Cognos uses a dashboard to display very personalized and customizable information. The dashboard that a finance manager uses would be very different than that of a HR manager's. The dashboard is customizable and has only the information that he or she needs. In front of you, there is a picture of what a dashboard would look like. In this dashboard, the user is looking for regional performance data, regional market share info, and how the product and its advertising is performing. The following slide is another example of a dashboard. Here's another example of a dashboard. Cognos real-time monitoring gives you up-to-date and very current information. It updates in a real-time manner and highlights events, alerts, and notifications. The real-time monitoring helps to improve productivity and efficiency. IBM Cognos real-time monitoring provides innovative ways to address business needs, including customer service contact center optimization, payment monitoring, logistics and fulfillment productivity, and even energy management. This screen shows the real-time monitoring aspect of the dashboard. Notice the increments of when the data is updated. For example, when the city of Los Angeles monitors its energy consumption, it does so through the use of this type of dashboard. Just one look at the chart and you have all the info that you need. It is direct, concise, and effective. Business professionals are always on the move and need to carry their work with them at all times. With smartphones and tablets, Cognos helps these working professionals carry all their reports with them. A business traveler is no longer dependent on the IT department to send him or her new reports. She has them on the go at all times, thanks to Cognos. The applications can be seen on your smartphones, tablets, and Apple products. Here's a great example of Cognos and its capabilities in a different manner. NFL statistics. Active Reports allows end users to consume highly formatted, standalone dashboard-style reports with limited training. There's a focus on efficient, and perhaps more importantly, offline consumption. While the expectation remains that the reports will be developed by IT or power users within Report Studio, by allowing for the creation of professional-looking, pixel-perfect reports, the end user is no longer tied to static offline reports or interactive reports rendered through Cognos Viewer. Groups and roles represent collections of users that perform similar functions or have a similar status in an organization. Examples of groups are employees, developers, or sales personnel. Members of groups can be users and even other groups. When users log on, they can select a group they want to use for that session. They always log on with all of the permissions associated with the groups to which they belong. Roles in IBM Cognos software have a similar function as groups. Members of roles can be users, groups, and other roles. After all this, you should hopefully understand that business intelligence is a priority for all businesses and organizations in today's workforce. IBM Cognos provides a full range of BI capabilities and ultimately helps the company make more informed decisions. Cognos BI Training. Listed on the screen are some of the main topics we will discuss in the training program, including what is data warehousing, what is data modeling, what is ETL, what is scorecarding, and what a dashboard is. Success in business intelligence depends upon your understanding of business intelligence. If you don't understand the business, you will not be able to understand the BI requirements of the managers. You cannot succeed with any BI data without first knowing your own product or service. Here's an example of Bally's Casino Management System. By applying Cognos BI, the pit managers were able to determine which players to invite and which players not to invite. This ultimately helped to increase the profitability of the casino. Every business intelligence deployment has an underlying architecture. The BI architecture is much like the engine of a car, a necessary component, often powerful, but one that users, like drivers, don't always understand. For some companies new to business intelligence, the BI architecture may be primarily the operational systems and the BI front-end tools. For more mature BI deployments, and particularly for enterprise customers, it will involve ETL, extract, transform, and load tools, a data warehouse, data marts, BI front-end tools, and other such components. Continuing from the previous slide, each stage has companies that provide services for each step of the process. The last slide explained the process of the BI architecture. For further understanding, in front of you are specific companies that take part in each level of the process. We recommend that you review the previous slide once more for better understanding. How to become a Cognos BI consultant. So, where does NRIT come in? NRIT is a business intelligence pioneer for the past 10 years. The training will reflect our past experience. Through the use of real-life case studies, you will gain access to our wide range of expertise. We will help you with interviews, resume preparation, and the IBM Cognos certification exam. There are various Cognos certifications. We will first explain the different types, and depending on your preference, we will suggest which exact certifications to go for. This slide shows you the training schedule. We have 4-hour classes on Saturdays and Sundays, with a total of 72 hours of training covered in 13 weeks. There will be both structured classroom lectures in addition to hands-on lab training. How will your investment pay off? Due to BI being a promising career choice, the money invested in this training will come back fairly immediately. With the average salary of a BI professional being approximately $60,000 a year, the return on investment would occur within the first year. This chart by Indeed.com shows you the average salaries of a Cognos developer over the 2 years. In conclusion, our goal is to get you to become a certified Cognos consultant, in addition to helping you find projects and employment opportunities. Thank you for your time. Please visit NRIT's training website at nritinc.com/training. Feel free to contact us at training@nritinc.com with any questions or comments.